Welcome back to our channel. Today's story is called Harvests of the Heart. This story teaches us a beautiful lesson. True generosity comes from thinking of others, not ourselves. Love grows stronger when we share what we have. In this heartwarming tale, we will follow two brothers who show kindness in the most unexpected way. Their actions remind us that the greatest harvest in life is not from the land, but from the heart. Let's begin. In a small farming village between green hills and quiet streams, two brothers lived. Their names were Elias and Noah. When their father passed away, he left them his land. Their father had always been a fair and loving man, and he divided the land equally so both sons would have enough to live well. Elias was the older brother. He was strong and hard-working. His hands were rough from many years of farming, and his face showed the sun and wind of many seasons. But he always smiled warmly, especially when he was with his family. Soon after he got his land, Elias married a gentlewoman named Sarah. Together, they built a small but happy home. As time passed, they had 6 children, 3 boys and 3 girls. Their house was often noisy and busy, but it was full of love, laughter, and the energy of children running everywhere. Noah, the younger brother, had a calm and quiet nature. He did not marry and had no children. He lived alone in a simple wooden house beside his fields. Noah worked hard too, but sometimes he felt lonely when he returned to an empty home. Still, he never complained. He loved his brother and often visited Elias's house to play with the children, who adored their uncle Noah. Every year, both brothers planted wheat, corn, and vegetables on their lands. They worked from sunrise to sunset, plowing, sowing, watering, and harvesting. The land was generous, and the crops grew well. Elias used most of his harvest to feed his large family. Noah kept his harvest for himself, but because he lived alone, he always had more than enough. One night, near the end of autumn, Noah sat alone in his house. He looked at the bags of grain stored in the corner. He thought quietly, "Elias has 6 children to raise. His family needs more food than I do. I have plenty, and he must worry every day. Maybe I should give him some of my grain." Noah smiled at his idea. He waited until the village was asleep. Then he carried one large bag of grain across the field to Elias's barn. He placed it inside without making any noise. After that, he walked home feeling peaceful. That same night, Elias also lay awake thinking, "Noah works as hard as I do," he thought, "but he lives alone. What if he gets sick or injured? Who will take care of him? I have a big family to help me, but Noah has no one. He might need extra food for the future. I should secretly give him some of my grain." So Elias too waited for the night. Then he carried a bag of grain to Noah's barn and left it quietly. He returned home with a warm heart. The next morning, both brothers were surprised. Noah found that the number of grain bags in his barn had not decreased. Elias noticed the same thing. They thought they must have counted wrong, so they both tried again the next night. Each night, Noah brought a bag to Elias's barn, and each night, Elias brought a bag to Noah's barn. For several nights, this continued. Finally, one moonlit night, the brothers walked across the fields at the same time. In the middle of the dark path, they saw each other carrying grain bags on their backs. They stopped. They looked, and then they understood everything. Both brothers dropped their bags and walked toward each other. Their eyes filled with tears, and they hugged tightly. "Oh, Noah," Elias said, "you were thinking of me and my children." "And you were thinking of me," Noah replied. "You have always cared for me." The two brothers stood under the peaceful night sky, grateful for each other's love and kindness. From that day on, their bond grew even stronger. The villagers later said that the richest harvests in the village always came from the land of Elias and Noah, not because the soil was better, but because love and generosity grew there. Thank you for watching this story. The lesson we learn from Harvests of the Heart is simple but powerful. Real love is shown through quiet, selfless actions. True generosity is giving even when no one is watching. When we care for others the way Elias and Noah cared for each other, we create a world filled with kindness, peace, and understanding. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.